But I feel like we both really talked today in a weird kind of way.
Veer, हाँ.
Yeah.
और आज़मा तो is really crazy for Veer.
Yeah. That's the thing. I feel bad.
भाई मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा. You do you. What do you feel? मैं like force नहीं करता भाई किसी को भी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए.
I know. But like, what do you see for the future of us? Are you getting it? Are you getting the vibe?
हाँ, like let's chill.
Do you wanna actually try? I know that okay, maybe I'm still that type of chick that okay, maybe we and me might just be more compatible, but that doesn't mean that every compatible couple comes with connection. I feel like we have that connection,
Like you and him.
like me and you as well, but now I'm confused.
So where did this all come from?
I feel like you genuinely helped me come out of my shell.
I vibe with you. मेरे को भी आज़मा को पिक करना था, ठीक है? Like because I have a friendly vibe with her and she's chill. इधर आ तो एक बार. There's some very.
बैग पैक किया तूने दोबारा खोल दिया?
क्योंकि हुडी पहनने के लिए सामने बैठ में ऐसे. She thinks she has a thing for Veer.
Really? You like
I don't have a thing for Veer.
अभी तो नहीं बोला.
I feel like there's genuinely a vibe where we both did not get a chance to actually, you know.
What is?
Yeah,
what?
and maybe it's in my head.
तो मेरे को भी समझ नहीं आया ये एकदम से हुआ कैसे?
Exactly.
Like we were very chill अभी तक. फिर एकदम से you are coming and saying कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी वीर के साथ भी है.
I don't know.
And then
maybe
you're saying कि
it was
you
the
bring the
way
best
we
out
were
of me.
talking.
मैं यहाँ पे ये थिंग विंग बनाने नहीं आई हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं यहाँ पे एक सीरियस काइंड ऑफ कनेक्शन ढूंढ रही हूँ. मुझे वीर से अकेले में बात करनी है.
Yeah, you'll have to.
अकेले
See,
कभी
and
अभी रहते हैं,
honestly, if he says no, I'm gonna respectfully back off.
Yeah.
I'm not going to play dirty with my friends.
Just like no, वो तो मुझे पूरा attention दे रहा है. He's giving me that looks that he's interested. Maybe it's one-sided, but I want to fight for him. I want to explore with Veer.
Okay. That all? I'll tell you. So, I wasn't looking at her that way at all. I haven't talked to her ever here. So this was the first time we talked. Right? Like she's a cool person to talk to. That is it. Tell her to fight for Veer. Go fight. Don't mind me saying this, okay? Don't mind me saying this. But I feel he's into you.
Who?
Sagar. I feel instead of being close to Sasha, he gets more close to you. Okay? And I don't mind because I'm chill and because I trust you. And I love that you ask me before doing anything. I don't feel that you make me sound controlling. I just feel that you're very, very respectful here. So don't take this the wrong way at all. I love that you do that.
अगर तूने बोला कि जाके तू उससे पूछ. अगर वो हाँ बोलता है कि हाँ there's a vibe, then what? So उसका क्या? Like,
Then it's up
what
to,
to
honestly
take it as?
speaking, then it's literally like up to us and up to them. Like there is no 4 people playing this game. Okay? There is genuinely just two people. If they want it,
हाँ.
sure. If they don't, if I want it,
हाँ.
if we want it, sure.
I want it. हाँ.
If you want it, sure. If you don't, don't. Because I'm not that type of a person.
Hi guys.
तुम्हें कुछ प्लान बना के तो नहीं आए हो ना? मुझे डर लगता है भाई.
हम क्यों प्लान करेंगे कुछ भी?
Like we have a lot of things in common, and we both haven't gotten enough time.
Exactly.
And we both were like in the exact same position. It's just maybe.
That we haven't talked at all. And it was fun talking to you. Like you're chill as a person.
No, I know. I genuinely know that. I genuinely see he's not. I'm telling you, he did not give me any hints or anything.
जब मैंने तुमको बोला कि शायद वीर इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगा तो तूने बोला तब बोला कि हाँ शायद
एक सेकंड
Sorry.
हो सकता है ना बिकॉज से मेरा पॉइंट था कि आई जस्ट वांटेड
That's why
टू
मैंने
टॉक
बोला कि मैं वीर से बात करूंगी वीर से पूछूंगी if he is also interested
See, I
तो फिर
didn't
मैं
talk to him first
ऐसे थोड़ी
solely
मुझे
for the
कोई
reason
भी
because I wanted to respect her.